And hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property in front of me, which is in Margaret Close in Reading. Apologies about the weather. It has decided to start raining, which is a bit of a shame, but I'm just going to slowly pan around to give you an idea of the area. And as you can see, other side of the road is this lovely green field. Lots of car parking spaces as well. Before we head in, I'm just going to take you for a quick walk up here before the rain gets too heavy, to have a look where the garages are. And you have a garage in this plot here. So with this being a live video, feel free to ask any questions you have and I will do my best to answer those. You guys can also request private viewings on this video as well. So these are the garages, and I believe it is the one that comes with the property. I believe is this. It's this, the one here with the white door. I believe so. Okay. So there we are. So you've got space there. It's a nice dry area to go on in. Unfortunately, I don't have a key for the garage, so I can't get in there today. But I'm sure on a private viewing we can arrange that for you. So heading back into the property. So this is a no chain. So the current vendor is selling up. She's not looking to buy another property. She's moved into a home, and the family now need to sell the property to help fund the care home. So good security door to start with. Panic for a sec. And we're in. So nice porch area here, space for your coats, shoes, buggies, those sorts of things, before heading through into the house proper. And to your right hand side is the kitchen. So just trying to stand on the edge just to give you an idea of the sizes. There's a serving hatch through to your reception room, and then you have a nice big window, double glazed, under your over your sink. And then this is your side entrance. Now the current owners and their children tend to use the side entrance more as a front door than the front door does. They do. Heading on down the hallway in here, comes to a little sunroom that has been built, and we'll head into the back garden. So heading on in, nice private garden, just showing you the back side of the house here. Well maintained, and it's only a small sunroom compared to next door's extension, but it certainly gives you an idea of what you could do. And if I carry on coming on down, we've got a couple of good size sheds at the back here, and there's the house again. Such a shame it's raining, because this garden is fantastic normally. Nice little pergola here. Well maintained lawn for the property. So before I get too wet, let's head on in and I'll show you the rest of the property. Right, so walking back down the hall and through the kitchen, and you'll notice that the kitchen as well has got the sliding door, so space saving as well. Coming on through, and what we'll do, head on in to your reception. So good size reception room. There's your serving hatch back through to the kitchen. I would possibly look at knocking through, making a larger open plan downstairs room, but really comfortable size. Lovely big picture window out over the garden. Showing you back through there. And then we've got fire here, so there is a gas connection on the fire, little TV storage unit, and there's your cupboard under the stairs as well. And if I can reach, there's your cupboard under the stairs with your meters. So certainly a comfortable size for you. Good generous hallway and living room, living area, and then we'll head on up the stairs into the bedrooms. So we have 3 bedrooms at the top of the stairs. I'll show you the smallest one first of all, and that's this one here, but it is a, as you can see, good single bedroom. They've fitted in storage, and there's your boiler. It's a Valiant boiler, and as you can see, it was serviced annually to make sure it's all working. Oh, question on there. So the boiler installed in 2018 by the looks of it, or 2017, more likely for their first year of service in 2018. So about 2017 for the boiler, but a good comfortable room on that one there. So I hope that answers your question. This is the main bedroom. So really good size double. There are quite large wardrobes here, which does make a big impact in the room. But you could, they're not fitted, so they are freestanding, so that would go, and that would give